Hey y'all, gather round. Let me tell you a story about the Johnson family. Meet Mama Johnson. Always cool under pressure, even when her boss throws a curveball her way.
We need this report by tomorrow morning.
No problem, I'll get it done.
And there's Papa Johnson teaching his students about perseverance.
Remember, it's not about how many times you fall, but how many times you get back up.
For little Zoe, she's still figuring things out.
I can't do it, it's too hard.
That's when Grandma steps in with some wisdom.
Honey, mental toughness isn't about never feeling scared or overwhelmed. It's about pushing through those feelings.
Zoe listens, but she's not quite convinced yet. The next day, Zoe sees her dad face a challenge at work.
John, the client rejected our proposal. We have to start over.
All right, let's regroup and come up with something even better.
Later that week, Mama Johnson's car breaks down on the way to an important meeting.
No worries, I'll catch the bus and make it on time.
Zoe starts to understand what mental toughness looks like in action. She observes how her parents face challenges with determination and positivity. Inspired by her parents, Zoe applies this newfound understanding to her own challenges, tackling her homework with renewed determination. Then comes the big day, Zoe's first spelling bee.
Psst, I'm so nervous. What if I forget everything?
Remember what we talked about, baby. You've got this.
That's right, Zoe, just like we practiced. Take your time and breathe.
Zoe takes a deep breath, stands tall, and
Courage, courage.
That's correct.
And just like that, Zoe learns what mental toughness really means.
I did it! I really did it! Woohoo!
The Johnsons celebrate, knowing they've passed on a valuable lesson.
That's our girl.
You see, Zoe? That's the Johnson spirit right there.
We're so proud of you, sweetie. You showed real courage up there.
Thanks, Mama. I remembered what you all taught me about being tough.
And that's how the tradition of mental toughness continues in the Johnson family. What about your family? How do you stay mentally tough? Share your stories in the comments below.